Good morning and welcome to the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Rachel, live from Kalkine Studios. The Australian share market is expected to open higher this morning. The SPI futures are pointing to a 0.3% rise. Yesterday the market closed 0.45% higher at 7,824. In business news from this morning, Dabur Corporation has terminated the employment of Managing Director and CEO Steve McGovern. At the beginning of March, the company uncovered that company funds, which were supposed to have been held by a third-party trustee in a term deposit on behalf of the company, may have been misused by either or both him and a trustee. The company immediately started an investigation into the matter and suspended the employment of Mr. McGovern pending the outcome. From the investigation, it's alleged that he and the trustee were likely involved in the unauthorised use of those funds, including for purposes which were not for the company's benefit. Mr. McGovern has also ceased to be director of the company. Now, the company will undertake further investigations into the matter as part of its efforts to pursue recovery of the funds. Neurotech International is pleased to announce the 54th and final patient has completed their last visit for the Phase 2 and Phase 3 NTI-ASD2 clinical trial for children with autism spectrum disorder. Neurotech International is a clinical stage biopharmaceutical development company focused predominantly on pediatric neurological disorders. This world-first clinical trial seeks to confirm the therapeutic effects of broad-spectrum cannabinoid therapy, as shown in a previous clinical trial with this much larger randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled Phase 2 and 3 study. The trial recruited patients aged 8 to 17 with autism who've now completed 8 weeks of daily NTI-164 treatment. All patients were enrolled at the Paediatric Neurology Unit at Monash Medical Centre. And the National Australia Bank Group Chief Executive Officer Andrew Irvine has announced changes to NAB's executive leadership team. Effective from Monday the 29th of April, Rachel Slade is appointed Group Executive Business and Private Banking. She's currently Group Executive of Personal Banking. Anna Marikonovich is appointed Group Executive Personal Banking. She's currently Executive Business Director and Small Business in the Business and Private Banking team. And effective from the 1st of July, Catherine Carver is appointed Group Executive Corporate and Institutional Banking, replacing David Gall, who has decided to leave NAB on the 1st of October after 16 years. Let's take a break here. I'll be back with more news set to affect your trading day.
Right now, Kalkine is offering a 7-day free trial on its premium research reports. Get access to data-driven market insights combined with an in-depth analysis on financial markets across the globe. Don't miss it. Subscribe for the free trial now.
Welcome back to the ASX at Breakfast. Let's take a look overseas now. The Dow Jones closed down 0.02%. The S&P 500 closed up 0.14%. And the Nasdaq is the best performing index, closing up 0.32%. In Europe, markets closed lower with London's FTSE falling 0.11%, Frankfurt lost 1.32% and Paris closed 0.86% lower. In Asia, Tokyo's Nikkei gained 1.08%. Hong Kong's Hang Seng added 0.57% and China's Shanghai Composite closed 0.05% higher. Well, that's the latest on the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.